I need my little please and don't sit walking.
Oh, wait, give me a wave again.
I know. Every time we rode across the bridge, yeah, it's definitely one of those.
Just park it all in that little undercover thing.
Yeah, we'll take the ones that were the warmest.
Captain. This is fun.
Come on, baby. I don't know if we're all going to sit in that little cabin.
All right, let me go.
Maybe.
Like it. I don't know why you all think this is fun. Cabin's pretty good.
This isn't fun. Yeah, we're going to go spend the day at the aquarium. Hi. We're going to whale watching. Yeah, we're going to go to whale watching. Oh, no, it's not that bad right now. When we get out there, we're pushing it up. It's ice all over the court. We are coming in. We're sliding down the metal ones with our arms around them. So it's fun. I'm going to send this tomorrow for you guys. Yeah, for sure. Yes, the bridge has got ice over us, so now you can... Are you doing it? I just you're kind of leaning that way. We're good. But I keep... I thought I heard $500 for my video. My mom is... Woo!
This is B unit.
Yeah, B unit! Or Delta Force. Yeah. We're on a mission with Joan and her pink mouth. You are truly undercover because no one would ever suspect. Isn't that hot? All right, I'm sending this to Barbara.
All right, 1 minute. We got to pick it up, man. I got something to say.
Let's keep our chocolate out the window. Get in. Come on, let's get up here. Woo! Come in, get up here. Is going swimming today. Yeah. I think so.
I was trying to cross in front of that boat. He has the right of way.
Can you make it?
Yeah, no, he wouldn't give me quarter.
Do they know all the hand signs? Does he know who we think we are? Yeah, does he know?
He's the pilot that goes out and brings the ships in.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
And they go out in all kind of weather. This is just another day for them. This is rare for
It's
me.
another day in paradise.
Yeah, I feel like we're on the deadliest catch. Yeah, we're on the deadliest catch. Somebody quick grab a crab. I think it looks real. All right, we're getting a
Deadliest film production. Reality.
Explain to me again what possessed us to do this.
Why be normal? You know, it's like, let's have some fun.
Yeah.